The main room, we call it the headquarters of any accident. So we also have SB, Chernobyl Nuclear Power Plant, is located in the Kiev region, so-called. So we are in the so-called golden corridor because that yellow walls you can see, they are so shielded with that small aluminium colored of yellow color, and that's why the personnel called the golden corridor. ChNPP spent about $300 million for improvement safety. So the time for that procedures before the accident was 18 seconds. After the accidents, we improved this safety system, and after the accidents, when this engineer turned this key, 2 seconds and that is all, and control rods are coming inside and stop chain reaction in the reactor, and the reactor is coming to the end of its operation. There is a wall here between 3 and 4. We've constructed a big wall to separate that damaged after the accident unit 4 and all premises from this part. Because you know that after the accident we stopped practically all units 1, 2 and 3. Then a lot of works was done for improving safety, for the decontamination works. A lot of work was done, a lot. And in November, units 1 and 2 were again in operation. First of all, to cool the water, then cooling water is coming back to pumps again. A part of the water, if it is necessary, we are taking from the cooling pond. We have a cooling pond and channels, and also onshore so-called station to pump the water. So, and the reactor can be in operation approximately for 1 year, approximately. Then we should stop the operation for maintenance works, and the maintenance work could be from 2 weeks, 2-3 weeks up to maybe 2 months. It depends on this or that so-called schedule of the maintenance works, because it depends on the equipment which we needed to change. So and also during these procedures we could change also some fuel, we could change some equipment, so on and so forth. So a small information for this memorial. This memorial is dedicated to Valery Khodenchuk. Valery Khodenchuk was the senior operator of the main circulation pumps. Valery had a task to go inside the Unit 4 pumps and to check some equipment there and to inform his boss about that moment that the equipment is already checked, so on and so forth. And practically at the same, so you understand that behind me, the unit number 4 and all other premises are located there. So, for you to remember that we started operation Unit 1, 77, Unit 2 78, Unit 3 81, and Unit 4 83. So during this period of time, all this equipment was in operation. I mean our switch yards where we have the electricity distributed to us from the energy system of Ukraine. You know that our last unit which was in operation was unit number 3. We visited control room of unit 3. It was in operation up to the end of December, correctly to say, up to 15th of December 2000. And since that time we received the electricity from the unified energy system, because our so-called switch yards are in the energy system of Ukraine. That's why we have the electricity from that.
Several million scrutiny of failure activity. Carbon miners began constructing a tunnel under the reactor at the same time when Moscow Research Institute.
But you saw that. So as for this, I can show you more close this upper core of the reactor. It weighs about 3,000 tons. You know, it's a very heavy structure, and together with the biological shielding, with the fuel assembles inside, after that explosion it jumped up to the roof and collapsed down. Nowadays it looks like this. ChNPP, and after some tender procedures, Chernobyl Nuclear Power Plant signed the contract with the winner of that future works, which you can see nowadays here, including this arch. So the winner was the Novarka consortium, and in 2007 Chernobyl NPP, as the employer, we signed the contract with this consortium, which consists of two companies, VNC Construction Grand Projet, and another is Bouygues Travaux Publics. So also this consortium also has some subcontractors from different countries. For example, from Turkey, Okeanos, from Italy, from Poland, from Ukrainian companies. So subcontractors together, they are working here for solving, as we say, for the solving of one problem, to construct and to commission the new safe confinement, or we simply say the arch.